Hey, what's up folks? Earthmaster here checking in. Just want to do a really quick video test of the new GoPro 8 black camera I just got. It's been out for a few months here. The newest one is like a GoPro 360 Max, but I'm just not super into the 360 video. So I got video stabilization on here. I kind of want to test it as I walk out here through the field. Kind of give you guys a little visual here of this just the back field here. Some major pokies there, I gotta watch out for those. So with the 4K 60 frames a second setting, you're not able to go for the boost on the hyper smooth 2.0 on the GoPro 8. Pretty much only, it is on, but it's not at the boost level. So but it's still, from what I've seen, it works pretty good. Let's go ahead and take a run. Come on, Chomper, let's go, run. But don't attack me, don't attack. So we're running. I don't know how it's looking. I guess I'll find out. My dog wants to attack me because he thinks I'm playing. I'm not playing. Ow. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to do a quick stabilization check here on this camera, see how it worked. Once again, this is 4K 60 frames a second with the hyper smooth 2.0 on, but not set to boost. So I'm gonna, ow, I just stepped on one of these things here. Those things hurt. I think they're called bull thistles. They are not fun. So I'm gonna just move the camera back and forth, up and down, see how smooth it is. And I'm actually moving pretty fast. I'm gonna go ahead and jump as I'm turning the camera. And my dog thinks I'm playing again. He's like, what is wrong with you? So I'm jumping and I'm turning the camera. Video stabilization test. That's what it is. You need to behave there, little doggy. You're ow. Okay. So anyway, folks, down, sit. Just wanted to check it out, see how it's working. Let me know, folks, if it looks good. Leave a comment below. Once again, the GoPro 8 black, 4K 60 frames a second with the hyper smooth on. All right, have a good evening, folks.